So here's the cat tree for Meko that just came earlier. We're going to unpack it and put it up a bit later. And she's been already sniffing around and getting on the box, wondering what it is, huh, Meko? What's in there? Something for you, huh? Let's have a look at some of the parts. Double boxed. Okay. What is it? Huh? What is it? Is it something for you? What is it? What could it be? An early birthday present from Grandma and Grandpa? Well, you'll find out in a little bit. It's a little different than the picture, but I kind of like this one better. I still have to see. Huh? You just gonna hang out in there? Huh? Just gonna hang out in there. So we'll see how it all looks here in a minute. All the parts. Let's say it looks a little different than what I was expecting, but I like it. I'm just gonna put it aside for now and then make something to eat. Meko's liking the box for now. Huh? You gonna play in there instead? So Meko took the bag out of the box and decided to play with that for now while I work on this here in a minute. I had to put it away so I could do a few other things, and I didn't want her messing with it while I was doing some other stuff, but yeah, we'll have it put together here in about an hour or so. So here's Meko. Huh? What? She's waiting for dinner. Huh? You waiting for dinner? It's almost done. I'm cooking mine first. And then, okay, relax. You'll get something in a minute. Huh? Now that we're done eating, Meko took off somewhere. What? You waiting for me to put it together? Huh? Waiting for me to put it together now? Is that what you want? So here are all the parts to it. This part Meko's already trying to get into. This part here is a little hut house thing. Lap spool. Look. Are you good in there? You good? Huh? We're not even done yet. Not even done, Meko. Okay? So, hey, take it easy. Come on, you gotta get out of there. Alright, we'll see how this goes. You enjoying it still? Huh? I didn't put it together yet. But here it is, the Heybly HCT010G cat tree. Okay, we'll have it together in a minute. Now you're excited. Okay, so here's the instruction manual, and I noticed in the back it says you could use the box that it comes with and make a little house out of it, but I'm not seeing any of that on the box, so we're not gonna worry about that though. So that's kind of weird. Must have changed it up. Meko. They don't have the house on there, sorry. Look so far, Meko. What do you think? Not sure yet? Okay, here she is already testing it out. I'm not even finished yet. But almost done. A few more minutes. But she's making herself at home already. So it's looking pretty good so far. Oh, Meko. Huh? You like it? Well, we'll find out when it's all done and finished. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so I'm still doing a little bit left. A couple pieces to put together. Putting a top on, and you can see she's having fun already. Messing with the little strap for the wall. But she's just chilling in there while I put it together. As you can see, she's liking it so far. Huh, Meko? You like that? It's fun, huh? Okay, let's finish off this top part here. Huh? Like it? Silly. Silly girl. Okay, I think I'm done with it. I haven't had a chance to move it yet, because she's still hanging around with everything and expecting it. But I will probably vacuum it, get it real quick, get some of well, there she goes. She's already playing with it. Haven't even moved it yet. I'll probably hit it with the vacuum. Get some of the lint off of there. Has this bowl. Put some treats in there or something for her. Or maybe just take it out. A little toy. Bell doesn't work on it. Well, maybe. Doesn't seem to work. It came with an extra one. This looks a little small, but we'll see. She likes little small spaces. So she's off of it now. I'm just looking. Oh, well, there she goes. Yeah, good girl. Huh? Yeah, you like it, don't you? Yeah. So we'll see how she gets on with it. And then we'll check tomorrow. Oh, there she goes. Good girl. Huh? Can you get up there? Can you get up the top? You like it? Huh? What do you think? Can you fit in there? Yeah? Well, she looks like she's liking it so far. No, that's not part of it. So, yeah, she looks like she's having a good time. You like that rope? Huh? You want to chew it up, don't you? Oh, Meko, you like that? You like it? Huh? You like what Grandma, Grandpa got you? It's a good girl. Yeah, but I'll go ahead and vacuum it here in a minute. And then we'll probably put it in this corner for now to test out, see how she likes it there. And then if not, it's light and be able to move it pretty easily. But it's got some height to it. You see, compared to the door handle there, about 4 foot tall. But yeah, she's liking it so far. She was playing on it before I even finished putting it together. But we'll give it a night and see what happens. Hey you liking it, huh? So it's midnight. She's on top. I wasn't expecting that. I got her blanket, and I caught her earlier messing with her blanket, and she's having a good time on it still. So yeah, here it is, about 2:30 in the morning. I just finished doing some work, and I'll come out here, and here she is chilling inside still. So she definitely likes it, and hopefully she keeps using it for a while. But we'll check it out in the morning one more time. Okay, so it's been about a day. Meko's been going back and forth to the cat tree to play on it, and then kind of go do her thing and come back and play on it again. And but so far, yeah, she loves it. I love it. I think it's really good for the price, and the quality seems pretty good. It's not too big, doesn't take up a whole lot of space, so if you have like an apartment or something like that, it should be pretty good for that. I did change out one of her toys, the little ball that was on there. She's not really into those, so I just put one of these on here. I tried out a couple different ones, but you know, she really likes this toy, so I put that on there. I took the bowl out for now. She kind of likes it like that, so she could reach from below and grab it. And she did mess with the strap. Kind of chewed it up a little bit. She did tear it off, this wall strap. I'm not going to use it anyway, so but it is screwed on the bottom, so you can take it off and maybe put a different toy under there, which I'll probably do later. And this one here, this kind of just hooks on with the little hook. So other than that, the rope here, I put a little wire tie on the bottom there to kind of keep it from unraveling, because some of the reviews I've read, not just on this stand or cat tree, but other ones, sometimes the rope unravels. So I'll just put that on there to see how that will go. And other than that, you know, I did notice it wobbles a little bit, but got this bed leaned up against the wall, so it kind of keeps it from moving around too much. She has no problem with it, so I like that. But yeah, she definitely likes it. And big thanks to her grandma and grandpa for getting it for her as an early birthday present. She's 11 months old. She'll be 12 months or a year old here in August. So wish I got one sooner, but she's really liking it. And so big thanks again, Grandma and Grandpa. And if anyone's interested in getting one of these, I think they're about $70. I'll put a link down below. Get one from Amazon. And yeah, we'll try it out for a couple months, and then we'll see if I need to do another video on it. But it looks like it'll last quite some time. But yeah, thanks again, Grandma, Grandpa. And I'll probably put up some other videos here soon, some of her other toys, so if you want to check those out. But thanks a lot. See you later.